Yes, sir. It's ID 104 Radio. We here live on the scene at Bella Blaq's listening party. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for more. How do you feel in this moment?
How do I feel?
Yes.
I'm overly excited. Over and over. I hold the door as you hear, but I'm so excited and happy. It's nowhere else but up after tonight.
Amen. Amen. Sure enough. What's happening, world? It's ID 104 Radio. We on the scene at Bella Blaq's listening party. We have Willie B, brand strategist. Sure enough, tell the people where you come and how you coming with it.
Hey man, we originally from the Midwest, you know what I'm saying? But we've been out in Atlanta for about 10 years. And we have Willie B Spirits, a black-owned wine and spirits company, you know what I'm saying? So we have Merlot, Chardonnay, a Rosé, and we have a champagne coming out. And we also have the Willie B Luxury Collection, which consists of plush, satin, and silk robes like this.
Oh.
Make sure you go to WillieBSpirits.com and get the wine, champagne coming, and you can get your robe, man.
But nah, I'm really proud of her. It's been a journey. It went from girl power game to everything. This is truly a proud moment for me, for us to be in this, for her to be her authentic self, and for y'all to love her, to show out and be in the room packed, feeling like a real juke joint. This is amazing. I'm gonna let Remy say a little bit more, but y'all show her some more love for me.
Y'all know it's my girl, my friend, like 4 years now, yeah. Transformation, a lot. It's hard to explain. You just gotta listen to the mixtape, watch visuals, add her if you didn't add her. A lot. It's a lot. And she love y'all, and here she goes. Come on up.
Whoa.
Listen, this is how I am really tipsy. And I wasn't expecting y'all to come here, for real. And it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. And I ain't gotta get in and respond, and you're here. Actually, everybody's here. Can somebody bring this mic down? I'm not this tall. Alright. We about to get everything going. Y'all feeling good tonight? Y'all kind of been a little like mellow. Y'all feeling good? I am really happy to have everybody here. I've been in Atlanta maybe 5 years, and I worked my ass off, and I remember people telling me I wasn't enough. I remember people telling me you have to change your image to this and you have to do that, and tonight means a lot to me because I put this whole show on by myself. I reached out to y'all by myself. I found the thing by myself. I did everything by myself, and I hired people to come on here and help, but as far as putting it together, I did it by myself, and I'm proud. So can we clap for me real quick? What you say, son? Oh, okay. All right, so we got a beautiful little band behind me. Did you say mama? Oh, hey, baby. We over there calling his mama. All right, y'all. So I got Lady M behind me. And Lady M, can you cut up for me real quick? Y'all don't hear her. Y'all ain't acting like it. Oh, okay. Can y'all stand up for me? I need to feel some energy. I don't want to be a chick. We need some energy. Okay, let me hear everybody phones out. Where is 7? 7, where you at? Where is 7? Can you get up here with me and get these beautiful people from out there? Thank you, please. All right, come on, let's try that again, Lady M. Let's try it again. Let's do it. Here we go. Come on. Hey, clap, motherfucker. I said, clap, motherfucker. There we go. I just kept it too real with fake niggas. I know brave niggas. Aliens is penny for your thoughts. Catch a case, nigga, way bigger. Petty wagon pushing, Mr. Slave Killer. And you get on my fucking nerve. You just a wave, nigga. Till we're on the alley, living private. Call me Mrs. Big. Shooting for the skies. If I got high and raise your fucking kids. There you go.
What's happening, man? IG 104 Radio, we been to Septicon, man. Coalition DJs, BreakMyTrack.com, and Atlanta Art District Recording Studio, man. I'm here supporting my girl Bella Blaq, man. Great event, man. Dope theme, man. I'm loving every minute of it, man.
Yes, Lord, you here. All right, hey. Whatever you need, can I get that? Whatever you need. One more time, come on. Whatever you need. Y'all sound like a choir. Whatever you need. Amen. All right. And then, y'all, we have my cousin, my family, my blood, a very, very, very special cat, y'all. And we call him Cat in the Hat, you know. Can you give us, you don't want, you. Oh, shit. Hey. Hold on, I think they want you to do that again. What,
I like her. She a good artist. Like,
yeah.
She got lyrics, and then it's like she
She got stories to talk about stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it ain't just all pop that pussy and sell it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
She really got like some stories, so that's kind of what made me listen to her, because I heard, it was one of her older tracks I heard that actually made me pay attention to her.
Okay.
Instagram, all the streaming sites, YouTube, Kilowatt.
How you feeling this moment?
I am feeling good. I'm feeling really good.
Sure enough. I know this is a major accomplishment for you.
It is. It's amazing. I'm really excited. I'm nervous because this is actually my first album. This is actually my first album, so I'm kind of nervous.
Yes, y'all, and we don't stop. Bella Blaq's official listening party was off the chain. Now you have the first exclusive. ID 104 Radio was live in the building. There was family and friends all to support Bella Blaq as an artist and Bella Blaq as the person. Now you have been consulted. We are ID 104 Radio and this is consulting time.